This right here is not a double-sided washing machine as some people commented on DJI's leak video. This is the brand new DJI Osmo 360. DJI's first 360 cam, and today we're gonna be having a look inside the adventure combo, which has got some more accessories included. So where did I got this camera from? I got it from the DJI store Munich. Thanks a lot to the team over there. They're super friendly, so if you live close to Germany or you're from Austria and you're close to Vienna, make sure to visit one of their stores. They're super friendly. They have all the equipment inside the store so you can test it, just walk around and see everything. Well, let's continue with some of the features. We're not gonna test the camera today because we're gonna do this in another video, but for me the special features in a 360 camera is the 1-inch sensor, which means it will be really good in low light, and also the 10-bit D-Log M for color grading. We're gonna be having a look on the features as mentioned later in another video, but for now let's open the box and see how it actually looks. I'm so excited. I haven't had a look inside. Okay, so let's open up this beauty. We're gonna do this slow and have a look on all things that are included. Oh my god. Let's open up here. That feels like Apple actually. They also do it with their products. Okay, so we've got the Osmo 360 right over here, and we've got the accessories. Let's first have a look on the accessories. I know you guys want to see the Osmo first, but let's see what works. Okay, so let's place this over here and let's open up the accessories. Okay, first things first, this, what is that? This is just a case for the Osmo 360, which is nice because otherwise if you travel a lot you will scratch the lenses. What else do we have inside here? I guess this is a lens cap, but not sure. It feels like a lens cap. Okay, it is. Wow, this is actually quite wide. Interesting. Let's see how it works on the 360 camera. What else do we have? We have a battery charger. Alright. It is similar to the Osmo, like the battery chargers from the Action 5 and 4. And the batteries are quite small. They're actually super tiny, but I hope they perform really well. Okay, let's get this to the side as well. And yeah, other than that, just some stickers. We're gonna put them to the side. And what else do we have? We have an invisible selfie stick. I've also already got so many of those, but what I love about those from DJI, they usually have some grip tape on it, which is so nice, and it feels like you could never get it out of your hand. So amazing. And now we're gonna be having a look on the camera itself. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Let's also put that away so we get some cleaner look here. Sunlight is coming in. Today is the first day of good weather again in Austria. Okay, wow. So let's get rid of the plastic. Oh wow, what a beauty. This looks so good. So right inside here we have the battery port, so we can plug in the batteries. And other than that we have, what's inside here? Okay, USB-C. Right down here we've also got the mounting options, also a magnetic mount and a normal mount, which is really good. So we can also basically just easily screw it onto the selfie stick, which is quite amazing. And the camera already feels so small. This is so nice because usually they are quite big, but this is really small. Like, look at my hand, this is so small. And when you look at the lenses, they seem really big, like crazy big, but I love it because that means it should be really good at low light. That's amazing. So I wish I could already turn it on, but they didn't allow me to turn it on before it's released, so I'm not able to turn it on. But we're gonna do it in another video. First look on that, looks amazing. I am a little bit disappointed that we're not able to change the lenses, because for me, as an FPV drone pilot, when I crash my cameras, like, it happens a lot of times that I have like a small scratch in my lens, and I guess we're not able to change it. Maybe it's easy for DJI to repair it, so I'm not sure how bad it actually is. It also could be a lens that is really stiff, so I'm not sure if you even ever get in the situation of replacing one. But with my other 360 cameras, I've always got in the situation of scratching one. So yeah, I hope it doesn't happen to that one. I'm already looking forward to test this in different scenarios. But that's it for now. I guess maybe inside here is something else, because I was missing something. So we're also gonna have a quick look on that, because I was searching for that for the whole time, but it should be inside here. This is the magnetic mount and just an USB wire, so it fits really good on here, and it's super good mounted, and you also can adjust the angle. How good is that? This is so nice. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this short insight. Sorry that I'm not able to power it on. Sorry that I wasn't able to turn it on. We're gonna be doing it in another video. There are for sure some other videos already out there where they test this camera, so make sure to check out those. Gonna see you on Instagram or on YouTube, so we test this camera really well. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice week and see you soon.